Things I wish to know before applying in Engoo.
Hi, welcome to my channel. I am Tutor Analu and I am an Engoo tutor for more than 4 years. While I create video contents to help aspirant Engoo tutors in the application and their tutoring journey. If you're new here in my channel and you find my videos helpful, please consider subscribing and click the notification bell to be more updated.
Meet Miss Emily, an aspirant Engoo tutor.
Hello, Teacher Analu. I want to apply as an Engoo tutor. I have some few questions.
Okay, feel free to ask.
If I'll be an Engoo tutor, what kind of class should I provide?
Well, an Engoo tutor provides a 25-minute one-on-one video class with 5 minutes break in between.
Who will be my students?
Students are from Japan, Korea, Taiwan, Thailand, Portugal, Spain, Turkey, and from other countries. But majority of them are Japanese students of varied ages, proficiency levels, and backgrounds.
Can I work full-time or part-time?
You can do both because of its flexible schedule. You can book as less or as many classes as you want. Working another online ESL company, however, is highly discouraged.
So, when can I plot my schedule?
Tutors are free to select slots to open for students to book. The schedule is flexible. Slots can be opened 24/7 up to 7 days in advance, including weekdays and holidays.
Is there a minimum number of classes to conduct?
There is no minimum number of classes to conduct, but failure to conduct classes within 90 days or 3 months is subject to account deactivation. But don't worry, reactivation of your deactivated account is easy. You can just email the recruitment team when you're ready to teach again.
Should I come up with my own teaching material?
Tutors do not need to come up with their own materials for lessons, since all the materials are provided by the company and they're available at the website.
How much will I be paid?
Well, watch the separate video for that. Link is provided in the description below.
What do I need?
What you need is a working computer, either desktop or laptop, a stable internet connection, so Wi-Fi is totally fine, working headset and earphones, and webcam.
Is ESL teaching experience required?
No, it isn't.
Are certificates required like TESOL or any other?
Certificates aren't required.
So what is required?
Mastery of English language, teaching skills, computer literacy are required.
I'm not a college graduate yet. Can I apply?
Don't worry, you have to be just at least 18 years old to apply.
So, how can I apply?
You have to fill out this application form. After, you have to undergo a language test limited to only 5 retries for video. After completion, you will receive a confirmation email followed by the result email after Engoo evaluates your submission. Good luck to your application.
If I failed the assessment, can I reapply?
Yes, of course. You can still reapply after 6 months.
Thank you, Teacher Analu, for answering my questions.